This is a part 2 of the automotive seat repair. This front seat came off the 1987 BMW 325e 4-door, and this one is already restored, and it feels very firm and comfortable when you sit on it. The materials that I used came off the old mattress, pillow top mattress. So I cut off the pillow top and I found this this layer and a thinner layer of memory foam in there, and that's what I used to line the original upholstery with. This piece I cut to put into the side of the back portion of the seat right there. There's nothing there originally. It's just empty space that is covered with the upholstery fabric, and the original backing material was washed and dried for about a day or so. It takes a long time for it to dry, but you should make sure it's dry before you start working on it, because it will be torn if it's not dry. I retouched it with the zip ties all the way around so it doesn't move when I install the foam over it. So I'm gonna use this 3/8 of an inch foam to cover it first, and then put the upholstery over it. The bottom of the seat right there, the metal frame, you should retighten all those connectors because they become loose over time. So this is the upholstery cover from the first video. I showed you how I repaired that, and these are the tabs that I glued instead of the old ripped ones. I actually cut a hole through this lining and glued the tabs directly to the fabric. You need also to wait for about 24 hours for that glue to set completely, and it is very strong. It's not gonna rip out or anything like that. And this is the new loops that got sewn to the upholstery, and this mark that with the marker pen where I'm gonna put the hooks to connect it to the seat foam. On the bottom portion of the seat, I'm gonna use the original metal clasps, and to put the upholstery back on the back seat of the portion, I'm gonna use zip ties. It is a good idea to put some glue over those zip ties over the locks of those zip ties, so in case if they're gonna get loosened over time, they won't open up if they're glued together. And by the way, this glue is very strong, but if you need to remove that, it can be peeled off without damaging anything. And you can even glue the fabric or vinyl where you need it, and it's gonna stay where you glued it. But again, if you need to remove it, you can peel that glue off and remove the parts without doing any damage. So in the next video, I'm gonna show you how I install the foam over the seat portion of the front seat, and the back portion of the seat is very similar to the bottom portion, and that's it for now.